Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making banana cream pie. You can make it with whatever pie crust you like. I'll be making it with a graham cracker crust. And then it gets filled with pastry cream with bananas in it, and it is just going to be so good. Have I made it before? Ha ha ha. No. Like always, no. I've never made it before. But that's okay, because we're going to be making it together, you and I. So let's do this. And I'm also making it because, my oh my, this banana cream pie filled with pastry cream inside graham cracker crust. I just want to sigh. It's going to be that good. You'll sigh too. First things first, get your pie crust together. The graham cracker crust recipe that I'm using has 3 ingredients. First thing that you want to do, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Second thing, crush one of these. This is about 1 3/4 cups of graham crackers. You can use a rolling pin and a Ziploc baggie to crush them. 1 3/4 cups graham cracker crumbs or cookie of your choice. 1/4 cup of confectioner sugar. 6 tablespoons unsalted butter melted. Stir together. Press the mixture into your 9-inch pie plate. Bake for about 15 minutes. You want to make sure it doesn't burn, but you should be smelling that delicious graham cracker or whatever cookie that you've used. Time's up. It smells delicious. Let this cool down and let's make the pastry cream. 1/2 cup sugar. 2 tablespoons unbleached all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons cornstarch. 2 large eggs. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Whisk together until smooth. Turn your stove to medium. 2 cups of milk, whole milk preferred. Bring to a boil. Just before it's at a full boil, take it off and we're going to pour it into our egg mixture. Pour it in gradually to your egg mixture, stirring the entire time. Pour it back into the pan and we're going to bring it to a just boil again, stirring constantly. It's just started to boil and thicken right now. I'm going to take it off the heat. Stirring constantly. Add in 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter. Add in your vanilla. 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Bananas sliced about 1/2 inch thick. Place them in the bottom of your pie crust. I'm going to go ahead and place that hot pastry cream right on top of that bananas. Refrigerate for at least 6 hours or overnight. Time to take it out. It is not wobbly at all. It is firm. I'm going to decorate the top with some banana slices, but you could also use some whipped cream on top. Would be lovely. Oh, yes. Look at this banana cream pie covered with bananas. Again, you can feel free to use whipped cream on top instead of bananas, but I thought this looked very pretty. Only one thing left to do. Taste it. Look at that pastry cream and how well that firmed up, and you can see the graham cracker crust there is pretty perfect. Yay for me! Did you notice when I was making that pastry cream, which I'd never done before, it may have been ever so slightly lumpier than it might have been? Well, you know what? I don't think it's gonna matter because I think it's gonna taste great. The best part, tasting time. Take some of that banana there, graham cracker crust. Wow. Wow. This is dangerous to have in the house, or maybe not, depending on how you think about it. It could be the best thing ever to have in the house. This is delicious. That pastry cream, even though it was my first time making it, is perfection, is so good and custardy and sweet with a hint of vanilla from that vanilla extract in it. And the bananas, along with the graham cracker crust, just make this banana-licious. Yes, I said it here, banana-licious. I'm gonna have more. If I can make banana cream pie for the very first time with you, you can too. You saw that pastry cream. It was not perfect, but it is delicious. And that is all that ever matters. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. This pie will be gone in minutes.